court is calling 2024 CR 012899 State versus Millie Reyes. Can I have parties announced?
I'm afraid we have Ms. Reyes is to my right.
And are you Ms. Reyes?
Yes,
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
That's my knowledge, yes.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Reyes, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, please.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are.
I don't think so. Are you proceeding on both counts?
I'm sorry, we're waiving count one, proceeding solely with counsel.
Any objection?
No.
Oh, no problem. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes,
All right. In count two, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Very much so.
Ms. Reyes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
no, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, Your Honor.
All right. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years on count 2. Did you understand that to be your plea?
yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yeah, with all back time.
State, is that the plea?
It is, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
That's my knowledge.
Then to the offense of count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No
Good.
contest.
No contest.
State, any evidence?
We are six in number one, including all of them.
No objection.
State, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Does the court accept the plea agreement?
All right. All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 2 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. These other charges, like the theft case the theft case, is that taken care of, or is that no pending? Okay. All right. And the court will request the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community does not increase the time that you're in custody. It's to help you with any issues you may have. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. What are your plans for the rest of your life?
My plan?
Yeah, because this has got to stop, because otherwise you're going to end up in prison.
I'm already too.
If she's getting deported.
Oh, you are?
Probably.
Oh, no, you are going to be deported. Okay.
Yes.
All righty. People, Previously, people were like, oh, maybe not, maybe, but this is a deportable offense, so you will be deported.
Yes,
All right. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready to have my set to better my life there.
All right. So you got to stop this wherever you may land. Just try to do the best you can do. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Wrong decisions don't just have temporary effects. Sometimes they can change your identity, family, and entire future. In this high-stakes courtroom drama, Millie Reyes faced serious felony charges for possession of a controlled substance. Entering the court with a confident, almost smug demeanor, she believed her legal strategy and plea agreement would keep her safe. The judge, however, meticulously outlined every legal consequence of her actions, from her right to a jury trial to the ramifications of entering a plea. By entering this plea, you are knowingly giving up your rights, the judge warned, setting the tone for the shocking reversal to come. Millie proceeded to enter a plea of no contest, thinking the negotiated 2-year prison sentence would be manageable. The courtroom tension was palpable as the judge carefully confirmed that she understood all legal nuances, including the severe consequences for non-citizens. Every step of the process revealed her growing realization that she was not in control. The state's exhibits were accepted, and the judge confirmed sufficient evidence to convict. "Court will find you guilty," the judge declared, instantly shattering any illusions she had of escaping justice. The drama escalated when the judge delivered the final blow. Her plea not only meant prison time, but also automatic deportation. Millie's reaction shifted from smug confidence to stunned silence as the courtroom absorbed the shock. The judge calmly explained that her felony conviction meant she would be denied naturalization, barred from re-entry, and unable to own weapons in the future. Despite her initial bravado, "You are going to be deported," the judge stated firmly, leaving no room for negotiation. As the sentencing concluded, Millie acknowledged her new reality and quietly accepted her fate, understanding she would need to rebuild her life elsewhere. The judge's combination of legal precision, emotional control, and decisive action delivered instant karma, creating a suspenseful and satisfying resolution for the audience. This case highlights the importance of understanding legal consequences, especially for non-citizens, and serves as a cautionary tale about overconfidence in the courtroom. From plea agreement to deportation shock, Millie Reyes' case keeps viewers on edge, showcasing how quickly courtroom dynamics can flip and how justice, both immediate and consequential, can unfold with dramatic intensity. If you enjoy real courtroom cases like this, like the video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, do you think this sentence was fair?